के म बाहिर जाउँ? Shall I go? Shall I go? के म बाहिर जाउँ? Shall I go? हुन्छ अवश्य. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. हुन्छ अवश्य. Yes, of course. वा हुन्छ जानुहोस्. Yes, please go. Yes, please go. हुन्छ जानुहोस्. Yes, please go. म कहाँ जाउँ? Where shall I go? Where shall I go? म कहाँ जाउँ? Where shall I go? बजार जानुहोस्. Go to the market. Go to the market. बजार जानुहोस्. Go to the market. म के किनौँ? What shall I buy? What shall I buy? म के किनौँ? What shall I buy? हजुरले जे चाहनुहुन्छ त्यही. Whatever you want. Whatever you want. हजुरले जे चाहनुहुन्छ त्यही. Whatever you want. के म केही खाऊँ? Shall I eat something? Shall I eat something? के म केही खाऊँ? Shall I eat something? हुन्छ अवश्य. Okay, of course. Okay, of course. हुन्छ अवश्य. Okay, of course. म के खाऊँ? What shall I eat? What shall I eat? म के खाऊँ? What shall I eat? जे खाए पनि हुन्छ. You can eat anything. You can eat anything. जे खाए पनि हुन्छ. You can eat anything. अब म के गरौँ? What shall I do now? What shall I do now? अब म के गरौँ? What shall I do now? बेलुकाको खाना बनाऊ. Cook dinner. Cook dinner. बेलुकाको खाना बनाऊ. Cook dinner. के म ओछ्यान मिलाऊ? Shall I make the bed? Shall I make the bed? के म ओछ्यान मिलाऊ? Shall I make the bed? हजुरको इच्छा. As you wish. As you wish. हजुरको इच्छा. As you wish. म फेरि कहिले आऊँ? When shall I come again? When shall I come again? म फेरि कहिले आऊँ? When shall I come again? शनिबार आउनुहोस्. Please come on Saturday. Please come on Saturday. कृपया शनिबार आउनुहोस्. Please come on Saturday. के म केही लिएर आऊँ? Shall I bring anything? Shall I bring anything? के म केही लिएर आऊँ? Shall I bring anything? कृपया केही नल्याउनुहोस्. Please don't bring anything. Please don't bring anything. कृपया केही नल्याउनुहोस्. Please don't bring anything. के म ढोका बन्द गरौँ? Shall I close the door? Shall I close the door? के म ढोका बन्द गरौँ? Shall I close the door? पर्दैन. खुल्लै छोडिदिनुहोस्. No, keep it open. No, keep it open. पर्दैन. खुल्लै छोडिदिनुहोस्. No, keep it open. के म तिम्रो टाउको मसाज गरिदिऊ? Shall I give you a head massage? Shall I give you a head massage? के म तिम्रो टाउको मसाज गरिदिऊ? Shall I give you a head massage? हुन्छ गरिदिनुहोस्. Okay, please do. Okay, please do. हुन्छ कृपया गरिदिनुहोस्. तपाईँ कहिले आउनुहुन्छ? When will you come? When will you come? तपाईँ कहिले आउनुहुन्छ? When will you come? अर्को हप्ता. Next week. Next week. अर्को हप्ता. Next week. तिमी यहाँ कहिलेसम्म बस्छौ? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? तिमी यहाँ कहिलेसम्म बस्छौ? How long will you stay here? के चाँडै आउन सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you come sooner? Can you come sooner? के चाँडै आउन सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you come sooner? हो अवश्य पनि सक्छु. Sure, yes I can. Sure, yes I can. हो अवश्य पनि सक्छु. Sure, yes I can. अरू केही समय बस्न मिल्दैन? Can't you stay a little longer? Can't you stay a little longer? अझ केही समय बस्न मिल्दैन? होइन यो सम्भव छैन. No, it's not possible. No, it's not possible. होइन यो सम्भव छैन. No, it's not possible. के जानै पर्छ? Do you have to go? Do you have to go? के जानै पर्छ? Do you have to go? अवश्य. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. हो अवश्य. Yes, of course. हजुरलाई किन जानु पर्यो? Why do you have to go? Why do you have to go? हजुरलाई किन जानु पर्यो? Why do you have to go? मेरो त्यहाँ केही काम छ. I have some work. I have some work. मेरो त्यहाँ केही काम छ. I have some work. कसले ढोका ढकढकाइरहेको छ? Who is knocking at the door? Who is knocking at the door? कसले ढोका ढकढकाइरहेको छ? Who is knocking at the door? राम्रोसँग सुन्नुहोस्. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. राम्रोसँग सुन्नुहोस्. Listen carefully. कसैले ढोका ढकढकाइरहेको छ. Someone is knocking at the door. Someone is knocking at the door. कसैले ढोका ढकढकाइरहेको छ. Someone is knocking at the door. गएर हेर्नुहोस्. Go and see अथवा go and have a look. Go and have a look. गएर हेर्नुहोस्. Look who is there. हेर्नुहोस् को हो त्यहाँ. Look who is there. हेर्नुहोस् को हो त्यहाँ.